serious?
Yeah.
Day 2, guys. What'd you get? You're kidding me.
Just laying out in the open. Under some corn stalk. They're here. Just gotta look. Probably walked over many. That's fine.
Just sitting there, eh?
Yep. Just kicked some corn stalks over. It was just sitting there.
Sitting there.
Just on top of the dirt.
That is crazy. That's nuts. Man, that's nice.
It's a bit wonky at the bottom there, but still, for handmade, it's pretty good. Look how sharp it still is.
There it is. Man, that's a nice point. What a way to start today, eh, Chris?
Yeah.
That's better than any coin, I tell you. Well, not quite, but still. What are you doing?
Okay. I think it's the button.
Oh, really? You always say that.
It's a coin.
Oh, good. It's about time I got a coin.
It's a button.
I know.
About time. You got like 8 yesterday.
There you go. 1816 harp.
Nice.
Yeah, you can see the date right at the bottom there. I had to earn this. There's the other side.
Not very far from the top either.
No, it's not.
Nope.
Sweet. 42. Yeah, 42 on the Legend 12 by 9 coil, and it's out. 42 solid. Let's see what this is going to be. It's not deep. Looks like a button.
Nice. Okay.
Nothing on it. Shank's flattened, crushed.
Huh.
Smaller than a half dime.
Well, you didn't get it yesterday, you got her today.
Yeah, I know. So there it is.
These guys must not have had clothes on.
Well, I'm surprised there's no pattern on any of these.
Yeah.
This one looks like it's got a wash on it. Yeah. But yeah, as you can see, Shank's crushed. So anyway, let's keep moving. All right, let's do another live dig. This one's got pretty rough around the edges. Listen. $47, $46, $45. Right in there. It could be a coin. It's a little jumpy, unfortunately. But who knows? Wow. It's coming up 48 to 53, guys. Right down there. Oh, it'd be nice to get a piece of silver out of here, wouldn't it? I very highly doubt it, but you never know. Oh, and it's a copper. Perfect. I'm presuming this is probably in the earlier part of the 1800s. This one looks like it's fried, just like the other ones. Yeah. So there it is, guys. 18. What did I say? 1814? Yeah, 1814. Bottom. Yeah, I can see the portrait now, sitting.
Yeah.
There's the other side.
Make a little something out of it. You pick it. And
yeah, I'm sure I'll get
it with magnifying glass.
Yeah, exactly. That's all right, eh?
Yep. Another one for the collection.
What's it hitting?
Right there, 44.
44 solid?
Yep. And it's just like, just underneath the surface. So it's like an inch down.
It is, yeah.
It's right there.
Let me just try the pinpointer. Oh, right where you put your, there it is, right there.
Oh.
Look.
Huh. Coin?
Looks like a silver, dude. Oh my god.
Oh,
I think it's a ball head. Oh my God, look at that. Can you believe that, buddy? Just on the surface. Yeah, it's a bullhead. Oh, I love it.
Ah, you son of a bitch.
Yeah.
1810.
17, buddy.
What?
1817.
Oh, 1817.
Yeah.
I thought you said 17. I said, what? Fucking nice. Well, the farmer cried when he lost that.
I know.
Is
This
that one
side's...
shilling?
Can't believe that.
Well, there's silvers right here. 29 and
29 with the
recovery.
Yeah, so we're running almost exactly the same sensitivity wise.
Oh well.
Yeah. All right. So there it is. Bullhead silver. First silver here, only silver here. So it's a nice little score. Didn't expect to find this.
It was just sitting there?
Just sitting there, buddy.
Oh, as soon as I put a fucking shovel on the ground. Huge corn stalks.
Oh, it's just sitting there.
Nice. You notice all the ones that sit on
Oh,
top have detail?
look at the meat on this sucker. 1816.
Sweet. That's a lot of 18, 16, 12 stuff.
I know, tell me about it.
They just had a bad year between 12 and 16.
I know, eh?
Losing all their shit. They had no buttons, they had no pants to put the coins in.
No, I know.
They're very careless with their money.
Tell me about
Or
it.
they had money and they didn't give a shit.
Well, that's it, right? This one's got some good meat on it. Yeah, 1816. Crazy,
The one you don't
eh?
have?
Huh?
The one you don't have?
No, I think we've both found a couple of these.
Oh.
I got no clue what it says. Looks like something halfpenny. Waterloo, maybe? That kind of makes sense, doesn't it?
I wonder how much the shilling was back then.
That's alright. That's crazy, eh? Just sitting on the top of the surface.
Nice.
I know, tell me about it. So anyway,
Take all
guys.
these corn stalks away.
What's that?
They take all these corn stalks away.
Yeah, I know.
Stay. Here somewhere. Holy crow.
Jeez. Up in the roots, eh?
No, there it is.
Ooh, what's that, Chris?
That would be a thingamadigger.
Looks awesome. Here.
Looks
Here's a brush.
Oh, you know what it looks like? It looks like one of those seal matrices that's squished. Maybe, I don't know. What do you think? I can't see them having a seal matrix. Looks folded over, doesn't it?
Dude, I got no clue.
But why would it? Looks like it's bent over, you know, like the handle.
Yeah.
But it's just a pattern, no initials. Pretty funky though.
That is weird.
It's cool.
It is cool.
Well, put it on the line, somebody will know.
Look at it. And look at this side.
Interesting.
That is interesting.
Different.
That's old. That's got to be old, Chris.
Get to fill your hole.
That looks old.
You need
I
a
think
sheet
it's
on
old.
it.
I think this is even beyond the 1800s. Just has that look to it, eh?
French?
I don't know. Yeah, I got no clue. 42 on yours?
35, 36, 41, 47, 42. Different. And then stab it. And you got 42 even. You got a bigger coil though. So.
Yep.
Let's see if I can punch this up to 30.
I can hear it. It's pretty strong.
40, 41.
Yeah.
Should have had my bigger coil on. I'm probably missing shit. Never know.
Not necessarily, Chris. I mean, you're running max on that.
Depends how deep it is.
Yeah, well.
If I had that at 28 or 27, I wouldn't have heard it.
Well, it's still in the hole. Whatever it is.
Something.
Is that it there? What is that?
The pie plate.
It's heavy.
It's lead.
Yeah.
Chunk of lead.
Chunk of lead.
Lead?
Unbelievable.
What the hell?
Is that it? Probably it, eh?
41, 42?
Yeah? Jeez. What's that?
I got a squeaker too.
All right, let's go for this. We're kind of out of the area where the coins are. Could be something completely different. Got a copper. Yeah. That's crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. The amount of coins that we have pulled out of here is unbelievable. I got no clue what this is. It's thin. Alright, let me clean this up. I'll be right back, but still, that was a doozer. And there's the imprint right on there. Awesome. Alright, so there it is. 1816 Sir Isaac Brock token.
I got one exactly the same, but it's bigger. It's like twice the size.
That's nice.
Oh, that was a fucking screamer.
Yeah. Nice bit of design on it there. Have a look at that.
Almost didn't get it because.
Well, I was having a hard time picking it up.
Yeah, I had to get right under all the corn. And...
Crazy. Nice, buddy.
Cool.
Yeah, I know. All right, so I picked up this little iris. Looks like a lipstick canister. Doesn't look to be too old, probably in the 50s, 40s or 50s. You can almost tell with the way the text is, the script there kind of got that 50s, 60s look, but yeah, not too bad. That was a screamer on the legend. It could be silver. I'm not 100% sure, Chris. I don't know what this is.
You have got to be kidding me.